Hi guys, rainy day out there. So I'm going to have a go at this. Picked it up in a charity shop, 99p. Fabulous Paper Gliders by Schmidt. And the idea is you photocopy the page, you get there eventually, photocopy the pages, print them onto thin card, cut them out and assemble them. Not quite sure why that's in there. So we'll have a go at one of them. Some of them are just 2 sheets, and some of them are several sheets. So I think I'll just choose a 2-sheet one, and it's actually supposed to print on 5 by 8 inch card, which is A5 size, half A4 size. Well, the size that's shown there. So I reckon I can get 2 of these onto one A4 sheet of paper. And I'm pretty sure in my stock of stuff up in my workroom, I've got some coloured card. So I'll print it onto coloured card and see if we can cut it out and make it fly. Printed. I'll cut it out. My hands are going to be in the way while I'm doing it, so I'm not going to attempt to record me cutting it out. I'll just get on and do it. And then we've got to glue the pieces together in order. They're labelled clearly. So you've got number 1. That's number 2. 2, 2L, 2R, so left and right. Then 3, left and right. 4, left and right. 5, left and right. That's to build up the thickness to give us nose weight. 6, right, 6 left. 7, tail, I think that is 7T. 8, left and right. 9 left. No, sorry, that's 6 left. 6 left, 6 right. 10, stabilizer. Okay. So say I'll cut all that out. There's no point in me trying to film me doing it, because my hands are going to be in the way. Well, I suppose I could fast forward it from a distance. Now we need to follow the instructions. There's some red lines that we have to fold. And then we've got to glue all the bits together. So we do that bit first. And then we've got to do the wing. And then stick it all together. I've got one of those glue sticks I'm going to use. And we've even got to bend a little bit of camber into the wing and a bit of dihedral. I'll just score along where the red lines are. Because that should make them fold in the right place. Right. Elmer's glue goes on purple, dries clear. Where are we? Those ones we want to fold up. So 1, 2. I'm just going to go there like that. Right, again, I'll fast forward this. To give the wings some camber, I've folded it over my hammer shaft while it's still damp. So when it dries, it should actually retain some of that camber. That's more than it needs. I should be able to flatten it a little bit later. And that's also more dihedral than it should have. So we'll just flatten that off a bit. 1.5 inches, it said. I'm giving it about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches there. Right, leave that to dry. Or do we want to stick it on there now? It's tempting to super glue it on there. I might do that. I might use super glue for that join, because then I can hold it still while it dries quickly. That's it in place. I need to adjust the camber I put in there. As I said, I put a bit too much in. And I've used super glue for the final joint to put the wings onto the fuselage and the tail onto the fuselage. Centre of gravity. Well, it looks about right. But we're supposed to leave it to dry out before we try and fly it. So we'll have a go in about an hour. Summary time. It flies great. Took a little bit of time to get it trimmed, get the camber right. It's actually looking a bit battered now because I've been hitting the wall with it, trying to hit the camera, but it survived. Put my logo on the back. Yeah, it actually started flying better and better the more the glue dried out on it. Because when I started flying initially, it was probably a bit too soon and it was still feeling a bit soft. Whereas now it's stiffened up where the glue's dried. So yeah, that was well worth building. Flies fine. Obviously a big open hallway, sports hall or something like that, would be much better. Or outdoors on a very dry day. Not today, because it's raining. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.